How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to change caption language on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube. Sign into your account. Proceed by tapping the profile icon at bottom right. Navigate to gear icon at top right. Now choose Captions under this video and audio preferences page or section. And ensure you have toggle on the button for caption preferences. Then only you'll be able to change your caption language. Simply choose the language option, scroll down, and look for the convenient language. For me, it's English, so you can tap on the circle next to it and make it blue in color. With this, you will change caption language on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.